Guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about another DEPIN project, which comes under the AI category. Along with that, it has also received significant funding from the market. I have provided a complete step-by-step guide on how to participate in it. So watch the video till the end, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. Let me take you to the screen. So guys, I have come to the screen, and the name of this project is Boost. We will join the Boost Airdrop. Its Season 1 is live, where we can earn Boost points. You need to come to this dashboard, click on Get Started and sign in. Choose MetaMask, connect it, and confirm. You can enter my referral code here and then click Accept. Once done, here we will earn points by completing social tasks. In the starter tasks, click on Select. You will get 100 Boost points. You need to complete all the tasks to increase your Boost points and improve your ranking. Next, move to the daily tasks. One option here is to participate in a raid, where you need to enter one key and paste the address of your old wallet. Complete all the other tasks as well to earn Boost points. After completing these, come back to this page. Another daily task is to spin your daily wheel, where you can earn extra points. For example, I received 300 points. There are also other social tasks you need to complete. The third category is community tasks, which are also social tasks that you must finish. Completing these will further increase your Boost points. There's also a referral option available, which can help you earn additional Boost points and boost your ranking quickly. So guys, this is how you can participate in the Boost Airdrop. I suggest you join as soon as possible because this is an early phase. Once your points are updated, you will see them on your dashboard. For now, you only need to follow the process I have explained. I will keep you updated with any new information regarding this airdrop. So guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and press the bell notification. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.